We have the EV station here. This just arrived from Ubiquiti, literally 5 minutes ago. I just took it out of the shipping box, which we can see right here. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for everyone to see what's included. So we're gonna, oh, they have a nice pull label. So we're actually gonna pull that off. We won't need the knife. And then I'll rotate this down. Very nice display here. This is like one of the early access models. Really the only thing left on the early access store. Nice white cable. They include one of the hardwired plugs. Very nice of them to do that. Lift the unit out. That's kind of what the back looks like. And then under here, we have the other 50 amp plug, which is attached directly already. Mounting screws with some anchors. Looks like almost like a safety screw. I believe this goes on the back of it. Template for wall mounting it. And then just the housing itself. Nothing else in the box. And this is what the housing looks like. So here we have the Ubiquiti EV station. I'm gonna be configuring here. This is gonna be working with a Model 3 Performance. Currently, this is just using the mobile charger off of 110, so this is gonna be a big upgrade. We have it hardwired, it's hard to see. We have it hardwired directly, and then Ethernet down from the bottom into it via the little cable insert. So then we're gonna select our breaker size. It's gonna give us a warning, making sure we properly sized it. This has 6-gauge cable in the wall and a 60 amp breaker, so we know it's gonna work just fine. We did detect the Cloud Key Plus automatically, and we need to go to Unify to adopt. So I already have Connect set up for a Unify display. I'll show the different angles here on the charger. It's nice, you can choose either side to plug this in. And then there's just a little pop out insert. So we'll go over here. I have the tablet ready. Try to zoom this in. And so right away we see the EV station. I'm gonna click to adopt. We can see the MAC address, the IP, and then we'll just click adopt down here on the bottom. Adopting, we see that the light on the EV station is turning blue. Looks like it's gonna update now too, automatically. So we'll go back over here and we'll see. Interestingly, it looks like even though it's updating, it says we can charge. So let's go ahead, we'll try that right now. So we got the Tesla adapter, the J1772 to Tesla, the NACS. We will pull the cord out. This is gonna be my first time actually charging it for you guys, so. I heard it click. We can see 48 amps up to. Oh, station's unavailable, probably because of the update. Okay, we're back with EV station. It just got charged. This is what the main dashboard looks like with the latest software. Nothing really changed here. Oh, actually it did. We have the LED ring, which can be controlled. Put a little label on it. What kind of security. It looks like we could kind of make our own advertisements almost with the content section. Kind of cool. Looks like it supports various video formats. A nice little GIF you could do on it. You can override the breaker size here as well if you were like upgraded after the fact. Again, you want to make sure the wiring gauge is correct. Otherwise you could have issues there. You can do Unify Identity, QR code, no access, kind of cool. That's about it though. You can also control the amperage here instead of the car. The Tesla will let you do that on the car, so it's not really needed. As well as like a little label, like you could put your company name or something like that, it looks like. So yeah, we'll go back here and then I will plug the car in. So the default kind of display for the device doesn't really show a ton. This is just going to be like the version, device IP, MAC address, and if it's online or not. There's a little camera here, but there's not really much use for it at the moment. So we have the charger. This is going to be plugged into the Model 3, so there's no direct like Tesla plug on the Unify charger at the moment. It's going to try to negotiate it, so it's blinking right now. We have a tiny bit of amperage to try to do the negotiation. And then now it's slowly picking up speed. We're at 16 amps right now. Up to 18, 21. Kind of cool, it shows you the energy that it used, the time that it was charging, and this cool little bar. And then you got the kind of the ubiquity lighting around the device. We'll go back to the dashboard real quick, and we're basically at the peak amps here on the car. So we'll go back, and we'll look here in the dashboard. It shows us the same as well. The voltage, there's no events. I wonder what this would do. I'm guessing you can try to do different media, different controls on it. Kind of neat. Not really needed for home use, but kind of cool. And then we have our little charging graph. It hasn't updated yet, but probably after a couple minutes of charging, it would show up in here, as well as previous charge activity. That's it. If you're curious, drop any questions in the comments. I can answer anything. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're looking to get a Tesla, make sure to use the referral link in the bottom of the video as well. That'll allow you to get X dollars off, depending on when they change it. Currently, it's $500 for a Model 3 or a Model Y, and full self-driving. And that's current as of September 6th, 2023. Thanks for watching, everybody.